Hello everyone, my name is Harshvardhan Yadav. Today's date is 7 December 2021. Today's topic is hash code. What is, first of all, see what is hash code in Java. First, we'll see hash principle, then we discuss upon hash code in Java, then we discuss upon Java equals and implementing hash code in Java. First of all, see what is hash principle. Before we define hash code, we need to understand what is hash code and what is it is for. A hash principle is a just a mathematical function. The hashing is a process applying the hash function to the same data. The mathematicals is not always complicated. Here means when data to certain rule maps data into set of character. For example, it could be hexadecimal uh, cipher. We have some data of any size at input and apply hash function to it. At the output, we get the fixed size of data, say 32 characters. Usually, that kind of function convert the big piece of data into small integer value. The result of function is called hash code. The hash function is widely used in cryptography and some other areas too. Hash function can be different, but they all have certain properties. In particular object have particular hash code. If two objects are equal, then hash codes are the same. The reverse is not true. If hash codes are different, then the object are not equal to not equal to for sure. A different object may have same hash code. However, it is very unlucky event. As at this point we have collision collision and situation where can lose data. Hash code in Java. The Java hash function is usually connected to hash code. Precisely, the result applying hash functions to object in hash code. Every Java object have hash code. In general, hash code is a number calculated by the hash code in a in bracket the method of the object in class. Usually, programming override the object their object as well as related to hash code to equal to method more efficient from the specific data. Okay. Then hash code methods returns an integer 4 bytes value which numeric representation of the object. This hash code usually example by the collection for more efficient storage of the data and accordingly faster access to them. By default, hash code function for the object returns the number of the memory cells where the object is stored. Therefore, if no changes are made to the application code, then the function should return to the same value. If hash code changes slightly, the hash code value also changes. What hash code Java uses for? First of all, Java hash codes helps program run faster. For example, if you compare two object 1 and object 2 in same time, then the operation 1 equals to operation 2 takes about 20 times more than object hash code than the hash code 2. That is hash code in Java. Thank you.